Alright, this is Russell. Welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, but I'm back. Coming at you with a severe thunderstorm today. So, just take a minute and film. I know it doesn't seem as dark on camera, but it's really dark off camera. So, I know I didn't do it justice on camera, but actually off camera it's actually really dark. It's looks a lot lighter on camera than off camera. Right there. That is unbelievable. That's some fucked up looking weather, man. Some fucked up weather. For sure. Yeah, it was all sunny earlier today, but now I'm just looks like this. So, yeah. It's sunny earlier today, but now it just looks fucked up weather, man. Typical Texas weather for you. So, I'll come back on if anything else happens. Peace out.